Hello, my name is Dennis Taylor. I'm the CEO of Black Ops Show Services. We are a I&D company. We build and we set up exhibits and trade shows nationwide. We're based in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to share one of our latest projects that we just did a couple of weeks ago in beautiful Denver, Colorado. The name of the show that we set these exhibits up was called WBENC. It's an annual event that travels the country. Last year was in Nashville. The year before that was in New Orleans. This year was in Denver. And we built several booths on this particular show. But our pride and joy on this show is the Google booth. And for obvious reasons, Google was a major player. And we take pride in building this booth for them every year on the WBENC show. And in a few months, we'll be building this booth again in Atlanta, Georgia. But this is what we do. We are, like I said, an I&D company. So that basically means we install and dismantle trade show exhibits, trade show booths throughout the country. Primarily here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are, of course, this is the trade show capital of the world. We have a relationship with this client, with the Google booth that we build these booths for. Hilton is another one, Cisco. But the Google booth is our baby. It's one we take a lot of pride in. And we have a good relationship with our partner, which is the Display House, which is 21st Century Expo Group. They're based in Maryland. We do work for them all the time, especially this show and a few others. But we have a great rapport with them, with Iman and her team, her mom and dad, who started the company, I guess, 30 some odd years ago. And we've been doing work with them now for 3 years. 3 years consistently with the 21st Century Expo Group and Black Ops Show Services here out of base in Las Vegas. So here in a minute, we're gonna let you see the project that I'm very proud of that we did at the show in Denver, which was the Google booth. And you'll be able to see our guys in the mix doing what they do, doing what we take pride in, building these trade show booths and exhibits for our clientele. You can see our guys have built the bottom part of the structure. This is basically building a little home inside the convention center here. And you can see the guys taking their time after they build the lower level. They're bringing up the walls to build the top level. And they'll work their way around. Guys on the front and on the back, on the side, and the guys on the ground coordinate to make this go real smooth, and they have to work very, 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 very carefully because this is dangerous. These walls are very heavy that they're lifting up there on top of the bottom walls. So it's very, very tricky sometimes. That you guys see above the booth, that was an assembly process before we even get started. That hanging sign goes up and placed by our rigging crew, and then we can build a structure below it. As you can see, all the walls are just about basically complete all the way around. As these guys complete this part of the structure, they'll work their way around the booth and make sure all those walls are sturdy. Everything is lined up perfectly because we have to put other graphics and other things on that surface. So they want to make sure that it's flush, that it's straight, and that is everything is cam locked in place. Now you get to see the Google logo put in place by our guys. Each letter, one at a time, place them in their strategic locations to show up the Google brand. Now the two guys on the ladders now are placing the planter boxes on the perimeter of that below that Google logo. You see that those brown structures there, those going to be planters, but they'll be placing actually live plants in those planters that will go around the uh, the entire booth space. Now you see our guys have not only just put the planter boxes in, they're about to put the overhead structure in. You see there's also that planter box is lighted. You'll be able to see that as they progress. That box is lit. The support structures in, as you can see, the plants are going in as I told you they would. The support structures are also being put in place. Monitors are being hanged as well. The television monitors are going in. As you can see, coming together now. It's looking like a booth. The guys have brought the reception counter in. They set up the table. They set up the other table on the other side. You can see there's also monitor space in this direction. So you have monitors on both sides of the booth space, and it's beginning to come together. Well, that's it, folks. That's what we do. As you saw that in that time lapse, guys take their time, work safely, We get the booth show ready to go, and make the client happy. That's what we do here at Black Ops Show Services. Our job is to do a great job, keep our clientele happy, and work safely, work smartly. That's what we do. We stay ready. Oh, yes, and please subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming up shortly. We got some more projects in the works. So please subscribe, like. We would appreciate it. Thank you.